So I did a short the other day when we were getting this room ready to go. The lady lived here with some kids, kind of left it in bad. If you remember, this wall right here was all messed up. They had peeled stuff. I completely redid all that, put a new headboard up, put new lampshades in, painted, got this whole room painted. But everything is pretty much new. New P-Tech. New mattress, bedding. A new refrigerator, microwave. Gotta pay attention to details. I tell these girls all the time, you know, it's the only clock in the room. Make sure it's right. Look at the stove. See how clean the stove is? Remember, it was all burnt. I like making stuff new. Everything in the bathroom is new. I had to use sandpaper. There was paint in here, and I had to use sandpaper to get it all out. And that's the way Sam I Am does his thing. Y'all have a good day.